I wanted to make this short video because, as the title says, I'm starting from zero and I'm trying to find something new that I love. All my life, I've been practicing and training to become a professional athlete, a professional soccer player. And in the recent months or the last year, a lot of I've had many experiences that haven't been so well, haven't been so good. So I'm starting from zero, and I just wanted to make a video because I'm sure that many people around the world may be going through the same things that I am going through today. So maybe I can relate to others and others can relate to myself, and it will be interesting to see what others say. So I wanted to make a video for YouTube because I've seen that creators have have made platforms that are very significant in other people's lives. And my main goal a couple of years ago was to become a professional athlete and also make some type of money, make money online. And I've put like a pause for now on the sports, and I'm trying to focus on the online version. I've seen that many creators, just by being themselves, are making a lot of money and are making a living out of simply recording their days and being who they are. And I really like that because it just shows that there's space and there's room for everyone. The only difference is taking action. And I also chose YouTube because I like talking to people, and it's interesting because I've never been a person about recording myself or being in videos and none of that. So I just wanted to give it a shot and just record the process and just see what happens. So normally I just like talking about basically normal stuff like sports, video games. I like talking about finance. I like talking about investing, music, movies, food in general, and just a bunch of different things. So I'm trying to see where this goes in the future because I do really want to be able to live remotely, living anywhere I want to be. So having the freedom to work from wherever I want, I think that's very important. And as this year has shown us, it's definitely possible. It's definitely possible, and I think it will be a good goal to have. Just find ways to become that has to do with making money online. So it'll be an interesting experience, and I'm 100% sure that a lot of people around the world are also trying this. And what makes someone successful, I think, is consistency, putting in the work, and pushing yourself. I've never been like a person of editing or anything like that, but I think it's gonna be an interesting journey. I understand my strengths and some of my strengths. I know that I like speaking with people and I like having conversations and all that. So I guess YouTube is a good platform for doing that. And it will be interesting just to see where this year goes. Also, finding something new that you love, I think, is very difficult because when your identity is so attached to one thing, it becomes a lot more tough to find something different. And for me, it's always been sports, and now I'm trying to see if there's something else that I like. And I guess this through this platform, I'll be able to document my journey and see what other new things I can try that maybe will become another favorite thing. I do know I like speaking about investing. I like speaking about video games as well. I like speaking about sports. So it's just a mixture of my personality, and I think just being that to the truest extent will make you special, will make you have an edge over everyone because there's only one version of ourselves in the world. So I think there's a possibility with the internet to actually make a living out of that. So that's why I decided to make this video. And if you're also in the same process or in the same search as I am, and you're for any chance watching this video, let me know in the comments, and we can definitely talk and talk about our experiences. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.